ito yung kailangan ko sa paggawa ng munchkin, guys. Meron ako ditong 1 cup desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. Maglalagay ako ng nips or M&M on top. And then 1 can condensed milk, 4-pack tea biscuits, at saka maglalagay ako ng chocolate malt syrup. Ayan, optional lang guys kung ayaw nyo naman. Kung wala kayong malt syrup, okay lang. Then basta ako lalagyan ko siya kasi gusto ng mga kids na lagyan ng chocolate syrup.
Okay.
Okay. Bidonsot. So, ayan, kailangan ko lang durugin yung biscuit. Guys, nilagay ko pala siya sa isang plastic bag na may lock. Ayan. Kailangan lang siyang durugin. So, ito na yung biscuit, guys. Nadurog ko na siya. So, ilalagay ko na yung aliswaya. So, ilalagay ko na yung cocoa powder na 3 tablespoon. Ayan. And then, yung ilalagay ko na rin yung 1 cup Nestle cream. I mean, condensed milk.
Hello, I'm Sarah.
So, kailangan lang munang i-mix. Kailangan lang siyang i-mix bago ko siya i-form ng pabilog, guys. Kachupun kamera ya tsala.
Ano mafisyo?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
yung nagawa kong munchkin with nips. Ayan. And then, lalagyan ko pa siya ng chocolate syrup on top. So, ayan guys, finally, tapos ko nang gawin yung munchkin with nips. Ayan, perfect siya for the kids. Tamang-tama mamayang gabi kasi may bisita kami, kaya gumawa na rin ako ng munchkin. So, tala, Kev.
Look, guys. It's so yummy.
Perfect, ya, Lulu.
Oh,
So, cute.
yeah. Guys, it's yummy. Perfect.